Number 6, B. In the given right triangles, find the missing lengths to the nearest tenth. Show your work. All right, let's solve for the leg of this right triangle right here. When we solve for a leg, we subtract from the hypotenuse. So that'll be 20 squared minus the leg we have, 10 squared, and I'm going to call it B squared. You can pick A or B. I'm going to use B. So that's 400 minus 100 equals B squared. So that'll be 300 equals B squared. We need to take the square root. We are definitely going to get a decimal on that. 300 is not a square number. We do second square root, 300. 17.3. It wants us to round to the first decimal place. 17.3 inches. And that's about the length of B. Over and out.